There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well.
Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just coming across my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. It is very important to your baby girl. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you will be the first to be notified. And for my hot subscribers, I say may God continue to bless you all. So guys, oh my goodness, today's video is all about my makeup tutorial, guys. You all know I love natural things and I love beautiful things, guys. So this makeup you are seeing today is done by me, Sexyosas. Okay, lots of people have been asking me, how do you do your makeup? Who did your makeup, guys? Oh my goodness, today I am here to show you how I do my makeup. So guys, hope you are going to rate me 10. You know I'm not a makeup artist, you know, I'm just doing all this thing for myself. Okay, I don't need to spend money to make my hair, to do my makeup. Sorry guys, yeah, but I'm just telling you guys the truth. That is how I treat myself. Okay, so you can do the same for yourself. You don't need to look perfect on whatever things you want to do for yourself. Okay, like Sexyosas, I don't care what you think about my makeup or about my hair or about my life. All I do is to make myself happy, guys. So guys, if you want to know how I achieve this makeup of mine, please do watch my video to the end, and see you on my next video. Bye.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you not doing well. Don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I can lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I can lay lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice, not sleeping well. And I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are